Now we'll move on to the problems based on operating leverages. Okay, already we know how we can get the contribution and the EBIT. Okay, so let us solve the problem based on operating profit. The first question is calculate the operating leverage from the following: sales sales 25,000 units, selling price rupees 3 per unit, variable cost rupees 1 per unit, and fixed cost they have given. Okay, now we will first calculate a table showing the contribution and the operating profit. So later on we will apply our formula. Okay, so first I will write solution, calculation of calculation of contribution and operating profit. Okay, so directly I won't take any of the columns, so just I will write as it is. So amount, so that is in rupees. Okay, now first we will start with sales, right? Okay, the sales are given as the 25,000 units and the selling price. Okay, we will just multiply those one because we won't have the sales volume. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 25,000 multiplied into 3. So we will get the answer as 25,000 multiplied by 3. So we got 75,000. So 75,000. So in this I am going to deduct variable cost. Variable cost. Okay, why I am deducting variable cost? You just remember the table which we took under the previous video, calculation of contribution and operating profit. Okay, so fixed cost they have not given. Okay, just I will write the 10,000. So variable cost is not given as the particularly. Okay, it always depends on the price of the units. So that's why we will just multiply to get the valuation of that. So 25,000 are units. So what is your cost of per unit of the variable cost? So it is 1. Okay, I have the 25,000. Okay, now you just deduct whatever the difference we will get. So that is taken as the contribution. Contribution was how much? It is 50,000. What is the formula to get the contribution? It is sales minus variable cost. You will get the contribution. Further we'll move on to deduct the fixed cost. Fixed cost already they have given 10,000. Same I will take. So 10,000 remaining I got as the 40,000 as the amount that is taken as the operating profit. What is that? Operating profit, or we can also write it as EBIT. EBIT. Okay, so now we got the contribution and operating profit. Okay, what we can calculate now? So we'll directly go for the operating leverage. So operating leverage equals to, so what is the formula? Contribution divided by EBIT. So what is contribution? It is 50,000 divided by what is operating profit or EBIT? It is 40,000. I got 1.25. 1.25 times. Okay, so while writing the leverages, so you in the answer you should mention that, so it is in the which prices. So that is 1.25 times. Okay, so hope you understood the very simple formula, that is C divided by EBIT will give you the value of operating profit. So hope you understood the problem. So let us see the next videos with the furthermore problems.